What sets us apart from the competition? Experience. We've been doing business since 1961. That's over 60 years in the industry. With more retail locations and distribution centers than anyone else, we have the largest network of resources in the business. We are enthusiasts, just like you. Our employees live and breathe performance and customization. Vehicle care. Every vehicle receives a pre-installation inspection to make sure we deliver the vehicle back to you in the same condition it was dropped off. Our technicians are committed to keeping it clean. We treat your vehicle the same way. We obsess over our own. Before any service is started, we complete a complimentary safety check and report. Installation and service. We have the right tools and equipment. Along with the training and expertise. To get the job done right. No matter the project. No matter the vehicle. We've got you covered. Safety. After any service or installation, our service managers double-check and torque everything we did to spec. As well as paint mark every single piece we touched, making sure nothing is overlooked. After all, your safety is our top priority. Then, every vehicle is taken on a test drive before our final inspection. For the final inspection, we use our pre-delivery checklist to ensure nothing is missed or forgotten. Then the final touches and a wipe down before delivery. Parts. We have the parts you want. From the brands you trust. in stock, or we can ship them to you. Customer service. This is your vehicle and you have questions. We are real people with real answers. Good luck getting that kind of help from a website. So give us a call or come on down. Off-road warehouse and four-wheel parts. What a difference!